how to fix YouTube something went wrong error. First, you're going to force close and reopen. So what you're going to do is you're just going to swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen to open the app switcher, and then you're going to drag the YouTube app window all the way up to force close it, and then you're just going to reopen it. This instantly resets temporary memory glitches. Next, you're going to disable VPN or ad blockers. So you're going to do that by heading over to your iPhone settings, and then from your settings, you're just going to head over to VPN and device management. So we're just going to search that from the search bar at the bottom of the page. You're going to tap on VPN and device management, and then you're just going to disconnect any active VPN or system-wide ad blocker. Next, you're just going to toggle cellular and Wi-Fi. So you're just going to slide down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center, and then you're going to turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, and then you're going to turn it off. This forces your iPhone to drop its current network handshakes and assign a clean, fresh IP address. Lastly, you're going to check your app updates. If you're interested, I have linked the product link down below.